Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Jack and Amma. I'm Jack.
And I'm Amma. And today,
We're going to talk about something we all do every single day.
our morning routine.
If you're new here, this channel is all about learning real, everyday English through simple conversations.
No boring grammar rules, just natural speaking practice.
That's right. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's get started.
Before we begin, quick reminder, if you enjoy these lessons, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
It really helps us a lot.
Okay, Jack, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's talk about mornings. So, Emma, let's start with you. How does your morning start?
Well, Jack, I wake up early at 6 o'clock.
Wow, that's really early.
I know, but I like waking up early. The house is quiet and I feel calm.
Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I use the alarm on my phone. It rings and I wake up immediately.
I always press snooze on my alarm.
Ha! A lot of people do that. Snooze means you stop the alarm for a few minutes and then it rings again.
Exactly. I press snooze 2 or 3 times before I really wake up.
That's a bad habit, Jack. You should get out of bed as soon as the alarm rings.
You're right. So, what's the first thing you do when you wake up?
First, I get out of bed and I make my bed.
That's a good habit.
Thank you. I believe a tidy room makes your mind feel fresh, too.
That makes sense. I never make my bed in the morning. I usually make it later, in the evening, or sometimes not at all.
Jack, that's not good.
I know. I'll try to change that. Okay, so after you make your bed, what do you do next?
After that, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and I wash my face.
Do you brush your teeth before or after breakfast?
Before breakfast. I brush my teeth first thing in the morning and then again after breakfast.
That's smart. I only brush once after breakfast.
You should really brush before breakfast too, Jack. It removes the bacteria that builds up while you sleep.
Good point. Okay, so after brushing your teeth, what's next?
Then I take a shower and I get dressed.
Do you take a shower every single morning?
Yes, every morning. It wakes me up and makes me feel fresh and ready for the day.
I usually take a shower in the evening, after work. In the morning, I just wash my face quickly.
Interesting. I guess everyone has a different routine.
True. There's no correct way, just what works best for you. So, Amma, how do you decide what clothes to wear every day?
Good question. Usually, I choose my clothes the night before. It saves time in the morning.
That's such a smart idea. I never plan ahead. I stand in front of my closet every morning, confused, thinking, what should I wear today?
That happens to a lot of people. In English, we call that wardrobe confusion, or simply, I have nothing to wear, even if the closet is full.
Exactly. I say that every single day.
You should try planning your outfit the night before. It really helps.
I'll try that starting tomorrow. Okay, and after getting dressed, what do you do?
I comb my hair, and if I need to, I put on a little makeup.
Do you check the weather before choosing your clothes?
Always. If it's cold, I wear a jacket or sweater. If it's hot, I wear something light.
That's practical. I sometimes forget to check the weather, and then I regret it later.
That's why checking the weather app is so important.
Nice. And what about breakfast?
Of course, I never skip breakfast. I usually have tea and paratha.
That sounds delicious. Do you cook it yourself?
Sometimes I cook it myself, and sometimes my mother makes it for the whole family.
That's nice. Family breakfast is always special.
It really is. We sit together, talk a little, and share our plans for the day.
That's a lovely routine. Now, Amma, tell everyone, how does your morning start?
Wait, Jack, I think I already told you everything.
Oh, right. Ha! Okay then, Let me tell everyone about my morning now.
Please do. I'm curious.
Ha! My morning is a little different. I wake up at 7:30.
That's later than me.
I know! I quickly brush my teeth and I take a fast shower. Maybe 5 minutes only.
5 minutes? That's really quick.
Yes, because I'm always in a hurry in the morning.
Do you eat breakfast?
Sometimes. If I have time, I eat an egg and toast. If I'm late, I just drink a glass of milk and run out the door.
You should never skip breakfast, Jack. It's the most important meal of the day.
You're right, Amma. I always say I'll change, but somehow I never do.
Huh. Well, maybe this video will finally motivate you.
Let's hope so. Okay, so after breakfast, what do you do before leaving the house?
I check my bag, make sure I have my phone, keys, and wallet, and then I leave.
Do you ever forget something?
Sometimes. Last week, I forgot my umbrella, and it started raining on my way to work.
Oh no, that's terrible.
It was. I got completely soaked.
Soaked means very, very wet, right?
Exactly. Good job remembering that word, Jack.
Thanks. I forget things too. Last month, I left my phone at home and didn't realize until I reached the office.
Oh no, that must have been stressful.
It really was. I felt lost without my phone the whole day.
That's why I always double-check my bag before leaving.
That's a good habit. I should start doing that too. So, Amma, how do you get to work in the morning?
I usually take a rickshaw, but sometimes my brother drops me on his bike.
How long does it take?
About 20 minutes if there's no traffic.
And if there is traffic?
Then it can take up to 45 minutes. Traffic here can be really frustrating.
I completely agree. I drive my own car, and some mornings the traffic is so bad that I just sit there, not moving at all.
That sounds stressful.
It is. I usually listen to music or podcasts to pass the time.
That's a great way to make the commute more enjoyable.
By the way, do you know the word commute?
I think so, but tell everyone anyway, for our viewers.
Sure. Commute means the journey you make regularly between your home and your workplace or school.
Great explanation.
Okay, everyone, now let's talk about something fun. Common morning mistakes people make and how to talk about them in English.
Great idea. Mistake number 1, oversleeping.
Right. Oversleep means you sleep longer than you planned and you wake up late. For example, I overslept this morning, so I was late for work.
Perfect example. Mistake number 2, rushing.
Rush means to do something very quickly because you don't have much time.
For example, I rushed to get ready because I woke up late.
Very good. Mistake number 3, forgetting things.
We already talked about this one, like forgetting your umbrella or your phone.
Exactly. Mistake number 4, skipping breakfast.
Yes, guilty as charged. That means I admit I do this.
Good phrase, Jack. Guilty as charged.
And mistake number 5, checking your phone too much before starting the day.
Oh, that's a big one. A lot of people check social media first thing in the morning, even before getting out of bed.
True, it's not a great habit. Experts say it can make you feel stressed early in the day.
So, our advice? Try to avoid your phone for the first 30 minutes after waking up.
Great tip. All right, everyone, now let's do a quick practice. Repeat after us.
Ready? Let's go.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I take a shower and get dressed.
I eat breakfast before leaving the house.
I check my bag before I go.
I don't want to be late for work.
Great job, everyone.
Say these sentences a few times a day and you'll remember them easily.
Practice really is the key to becoming fluent. Okay, everyone, that's how our mornings start. Now tell us in the comments, how does your morning start? Do you wake up early, like Amma?
or later, like me?
Do you eat breakfast every day, or do you sometimes skip it?
Write your answers below in English. It's great practice, and we'll try to reply to as many comments as we can.
We really do read your comments, so don't be shy. Practice your English with us.
Don't forget to like this video.
And subscribe for more English lessons.
We upload new videos every week with simple, real conversations just like this one.
If you want more videos about daily routines, work life, or travel English, let us know in the comments.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.